Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what you still control: the email or phone linked to your Roblox account and any recovery codes. Once done, collect your username, previous passwords, receipts, and approximate sign-up date because Roblox support asks for specifics. Make sure you can sign into the linked email. If you cannot, start its recovery separately. Then open the Roblox login page and use the forgot password or username flow so you trigger account recovery and get the automated reset email. Next, file a ticket with Roblox support using the account recovery or contact form. Provide exact username, last known devices, and the approximate time you lost access. Attach proof, purchase receipts, transaction ID, or billing statements to prove ownership. Explain concisely whether you were hacked, banned, or forgot credentials and state you want a password reset or review. Once submitted, monitor the linked email and reply promptly to any follow-up questions. Timely answers speed verification and resolution. Finalize by following Roblox's instructions. Set a strong new password and enable two-factor authentication for future protection. If support denies the request, politely request escalation and supply additional verification documents like original purchase invoices or ID if asked. If you regain access but get locked again, change the linked email, scan your devices for malware, and use the log out of all sessions option. Troubleshooting tip: if automated recovery stalls, keep correspondence clear and provide timestamps to prove ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.